Good morning to all. I'm audible. My voice is audible.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so in last class we start the chapter that is the compressibility and consolidation of soil. Definition is discussed. Difference between compressibility, consolidation, and compaction. Also, normally and clay OC consolidated soil is also discussed. Also, types of consolidation, that is the primary consolidation, secondary consolidation, and tertiary consolidation is also definition is also discussed. So now start today class. That is the difference of consolidation NC soil and OC soil. Also to find OCR value. So what is the NC soil and OC soil? What is the difference? NC soil, that is normally consolidated, and OC soil, that means over consolidated soil. So first about NC soil. So NC soil which are loaded for first time to the present applied effective stress. That means past applied stress was lower than present applied effective stress. Such type of soil is more flexible as compared to OC. That means the load is applied for the consolidation, for the compaction. That load is applied first time, and past if any load is applied in past, so that past load is less than present load. So compaction or consolidation in NC soil is more. And also we can say the load applied is more, or the present load is applied on the soil is more than past load. So effective stress at present is also more than past effective stress. And what is OC soil? OC soil, that is over consolidated soil. Over consolidated soil also OCS and this is called OC soil, those which have in past greater than applied load, or can say the past load that is applied, past effective is applied on the more than present. In that case, in OC condition, in over consolidated condition, soil is already consolidated due to past load. So present load is less as compared to past load. So consolidation is also less as compared to past consolidation. So these are the difference. This point is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
OCS and LCS clear? Okay, so over-consolidated soil are also called pre-consolidated or pre-compressed soil. So this soil, this OCL soil, also called pre-consolidated. Why this is called pre-consolidated? Why this is called pre-consolidated?
मैम क्योंकि पास्ट में इसका जो इफेक्टिव स्टेज था वो ज्यादा था, प्रेजेंट में कम है, तो ये लेस सेटलमेंट शो करेगा.
Exactly. So this type of soil is all pre of or before the present loading. Compressed soil. So such type of soil is less compressible and has greater strength and more stability. So over consolidated soil have shear strength more and stability is also more. Stability is also more, shear strength is also more. So causes of over consolidated or pre-consolidated soil. What is the reason of over consolidated soil? So first reason is the in past overburden pressure or surcharge was placed, which is removed later. Okay, that means any overburden pressure or any surcharge, any load is act on the soil surface and which is removed, which is already removed. So in that case, soil is already compressed. Second is the continuous erosion of overburden soil. This is also the reason for over consolidated soil, pre-consolidated soil. Third is the melting of glacier which covered the soil mass in past. Also the reason is effect of capillary pressure which is later destroyed by table. So in that all reasons we can see due to different way effective stress is increased. Effective stress is increased. So due to effective stress increase, the soil is more capable. Also, the reason is for OCS, during the drying of soil, effective stress reduces. My voice is audible. Initially, soil was subjected to downward seepage pressure, but later seepage stopped. Then stress reduced. But in past, effective stress is more than present. So in that case, also soil is over consolidated soil. Also, the reason is due to tectonic forces. Due to tectonic forces that is acting in past. So that is also soil is compressed, soil is already compressed, and if present load, effective load is less that forces, that tectonic forces. So due to this reason also, soil is not more compressible than previous. And if there was no seepage, but lateral vertical upward seepage occurs, then in case also effective stress in percent is reduced, but at past condition effective stress is high. So these are the some. So what is over consolidated? So over consolidated ratio OCR is defined as the ratio of maximum applied effective stress in the past to the present applied effective stress. So this is can be right here OCR equal to maximum applied stress in past by present क्लियर आवाज आ रही है सबको? बहुत ज्यादा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
यस मैम।
As we discussed the OCR relation, that is the ratio maximum applied stress in past divided by present applied stress. OCR that we past is more load. Past load is more than present
मैम
load.
आपका वॉइस
That
नहीं
means
आ रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक कर रहा है मैम।
यस, अभी आ रही है आवाज?
यस मैम।
I'm discuss here if OC is greater than 1. That means what is the significance for this statement? So as we
Oh.
discussed, the ratio over consolidation ratio is ratio of maximum applied load in past divided by maximum applied load in present. So if OC are greater than 1, that means past load is more than present load. So if past load is present more than present load, that means soil is which type? Either NC, either OC. Soil is which type?
OC मैम।
Soil is OC soil, over consolidated soil. Why over consolidated? Due to maximum applied load in past is more than present applied load. That means soil is already pre-consolidated. So soil is pre-consolidated, that means soil is over consolidated type of soil. If OD are less than 1, so what is the significance?
NC soil मैम।
OCR less than 1, that means past load is less than present load. That means if present load is more than past, that means soil is normally consolidated. मतलब soil हमारा कब consolidated हो रहा है? अभी present में हमने जो load apply किया है उससे हमारा soil है जो compact हो रहा है, consolidation हो रहा है. So that type of soil is known as normally consolidated soil. Clear?
Yes
Point is
ma'am।
clear? Okay. So next is if similarly we can say if sigma effective stress less than effective this represent this sigma bar represent present loading, present effective stress, and sigma not represent past effective stress. Okay, so effective stress in present less than effective stress past. In that case, soil is type.
मैम एक बार फिर से रिपीट कीजिएगा ना।
If effective stress at present is less than effective stress of past.
OCR, OCO.
यस मैम OC।
OCR, OCS. Okay, if effective stress past is more, that means past में हमने जो load apply किया है, that will be also more. If stress is more, that means load is more. है ना? Loading is more. Loading हमारा क्या है? High है. So in that case also we can say OCS, and also similarly if sigma present is greater than sigma past. So in that case, which type of soil?
NC soil मैम।
Effective stress at present is more than effective stress as past. So this is also NCS, normally consolidated soil. Clear है?
यस
So
मैम।
compressibility and consolidation characteristic of soil in laboratory by the odiometer. Odiometer also known odiometer So reduce soil.
मैम आपका वॉइस थोड़ा भी नहीं आ रहा है।
Increment ratio
मैम आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है।
अभी आवाज measurement we have to find void ratio, है ना? So how we calculate? So void ratio calculate either height of solid method, either change in void ratio method. Change in void ratio method. So for the first method, that is height of solid method, so in height of solid method, so soil solid will be constant, that is the Vs. Vs is constant, but overall voids, overall volume is reduced due to removal of air and water. But soil volume, this soil solid volume is constant. So if this is the soil sample, here is the Vs. Vs is the volume of soil solid and this is the volume of soil. So if we start to compression